everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will be customizing this small little cute bag that I pack my soaps in, and I will be putting a logo on this, and I will be using heat transfer vinyl. So this is the first time I'm gonna try heat transfer vinyl, so I thought this is a good little project. So let's get started and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the image of my logo that I will be printing on this bag, and I only want this part and I will delete this part. All I'm doing now is it is showing me three things. So basic cut, I'm going to remove that, and now I'm left with just this, and this is what I want to put, and I will be just moving it now and see how it is the size of it. So it's about 2, a little bit bigger than 2 maybe, and this is what I will be cutting on the heat transfer sheet that I have. So this is what I'm using. This color is not exactly same like my logo, but this is what I have, so I will be working with this. This is Easy Weed HTV from Caesar or Sizer, however it's pronounced, and my standard grip mat is ready, and I'll be putting this here. So I have cut a 3-inch long piece, and I'm gonna try to get 3 or 4 designs that I can fit on this, and I'll put it on my standard grip mat. This is the first time I'm working with HTV, and it does say shiny side down. Alright, so this is what I got here, and alright, let's see. Okay, that looks okay to me, and it does say mirror it, so I'm gonna mirror it. I will create a gap between all 4 logos. And let's get started. Hoping it will come out good. I can browse all the material, and let's pick heat transfer vinyl. So I think I've heard if it don't find that option, I think someone was talking about using a iron on vinyl. I will be using the, so I'm gonna pick everyday iron on mat. Alright, so we did load our mat, and we can just start it. I can never get tired of watching this machine work. It just is so satisfying. That was awesome, wasn't it? Alright, let's see how it is. Beautiful, right? Okay, so now I have to weed all this material. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, literally, I just have to pick this up. That's all I need to do. So here is the easy. That is better. There you go. That's how it's gonna look. There is a little part in the middle, but I don't think I'm gonna put that there. Look at this, how cute. Maybe I should just put this on a bag. So cute. Okay, so this is cut now, and I'm very excited right now. So I have this tiny easy press, so I'm going to be using this. That's why I picked up a small project, because I only have this. Anyways, I'm still learning. So they say you have to put it upside down. Is it right? No, I have to put it like this. Like, so I cut it, but I have to put it like this, so then when I'll put it, it will look straight. Okay, that's what it says, and I think it's perfect size. I think it's gonna look pretty. I'm gonna turn on my tiny easy press. Okay, you just do one quick press and then turn on, and I'm gonna do, I don't know how long I have to keep it. I'm just gonna go with guess. I have 4 of them, so I'll try different timings and see what will work best. Then I'll just make a note of it. It's yellow right now, It's gonna turn green when it's hot. Alright, so I have multiple bags now, and you can see this is green now, and I'm gonna do 10-second press and I'll see how that goes. I do not know if I need to make a layer on top of it or not, so I'm gonna try to do it directly, because I think for heat transfer vinyl I don't need to cover it with something. I think so. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm using the heat press directly on it for about 13 to 14 seconds. Now the press is done, and after a few seconds of cooling down, I'm taking the plastic off of it, and that will leave the vinyl on it. I repeated the same process on rest of them, and here is the result. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the first time I'm using HTV with Cricut machine. Let me know what do you think in the comments below. Bye. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video.